Hello everyone, it's your favorite starving, not so starving electrician. Good to be with you here today. So, today what we're going to touch on is a fish tape, new fish tape that Ideal came out with. So I want to go over some of the features of it, stuff like that, and go over some scenarios and why I think that it's so cool. So, this is the Ideal S-Class Blue View Non-Conductive Fish Tape. Best thing since sliced bread. Get accurate measurements. We've got the bendable head in it for going around corners. Stores your AA batteries easily. This is something I'm going to go ahead and give you an example of what I can do with this. The Blue View digital display right there. So yeah, turn it on, and not only does it give you the battery life, it also gives you the length of what you're pulling. When you're ordering wire, something like this is, you have to have this, because copper's money and how expensive it is these days. That's what makes this thing worth its weight in gold. What you save on excess wire, you can get you one of these and this display. So what we're going to do right now is we're going to test its accuracy. And it says up to the foot, and it even rounds up for you, so you have a little bit extra. So it's better looking at it than looking for it. So that's how we were always brought up. So we didn't have to waste anybody else's dough. But, on the job like that ever mattered to me, it's their money, but we still got to get paid, right? So yeah, so let's take a measurement and then let's see how accurate this Blue View is. All right, here we go. We know how accurate this is, right? It's a tape measure. Of course it is. Duh. Never mind the knuckleheads. Used to be a little thing I had. Anywho, but all right, let's measure this wall space right here. Here's where I do all my other videos. And let's see how much distance we have, and then we'll test the Blue View. Here we go. Let's see, we've got 102 inches. All right, now let's hook up the Blue View and put it to the test. What I like about the Blue View is that it resets. So if you're not using it, it goes dark, or it'll reset the numbers on there so you don't have to click around. So it does it automatically. All right, so I've got it nailed to the wall. Let's see what kind of distance we got here and see how accurate it is. All right, the results are in. Can you see that? 9 feet. Now, I measured in inches, so let me see how close it was to 9 foot. So it looks like we're at 103 inches. 103, 9 foot. So this thing is accurate to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 inches. That's pretty damn accurate. I only have 6 inches of play. That's nice. So every time that you've got it. So this thing's 100 feet long, so your 100 feet runs. So this thing's gonna work great all across the board. Now, let me show you some more features about it, and we'll go over why you would need a non-conductive fish tape. All right, with traditional fish tapes, steel ones, they come at you like this. It's nice for serving the head up on this one, but it's conductive. A lot of times we're sending a fish tape up into a hot panel, and if this is all that you have, it's tough. You gotta have put something to stop that pipe, so it stops right there, what have you. But sometimes, it is what it is. Along with the steel fish tapes, what's allowed by code is 360 degrees of bends. So that's 490s. So imagine, a longer run, your steel fish tape, you got friction. I could feel this thing. It's a struggle with 190. 490s, depending on how many wires you have in there, that's a struggle. So, something lighter, more electrician, aerodynamic, what have you. This works so much better. But you can get these tips for these for the steel ones but this is lighter. And it just works its way around the 90s so much better. It's so much easier. I mean, it's just, when it comes out, it's not as rigid as the other one. So going around the corners with this, imagine the the ease with the bendable head. I mean, this thing just slides in there. I mean, that's nothing. So, for lack of a better word, less of a pain. I'm not gonna go there, but anyways. But yeah, that's just, I mean, for me as an electrician, I mean, I'd rather use this to go around the corners. I don't want to sit there and struggle with it. Use my linemen, my side cuts to push it through those 90s and stuff like that. And well, you know, if you didn't do the pipe run, some other knucklehead did the pipe run, and they could have more than 490s in it. You know, not everybody adheres to the code book like I do. But this is so much easier, so much better. I love the blue view on this. It's incredible, really clear. You can see everything in there, really nice. And again, out. Oh, where am I? 5 foot. Excellent. I love this thing. So Ideal coming out with another winner. They hit another home run. Yeah, so you just to get at the batteries, 2 AA's. Just take off these couple of screws, pops right out as a holder for extra batteries too if it ever goes dead on the job site. And you can get right at it real quick. So, but there is one feature to this, on top of it being lightweight and everything else, that makes it worthwhile for me. There's one feature that's the most important. So hang with me for this one. All right, the most important feature for the clear view fish tape is, oh, it finds tacos and beer. You know, Ideal, I want to thank you for this, because I'd never have tacos and beer without this fish tape. So everybody out there, go ahead and get you one of these. Check out the my description. Check out the link and pick you up one. Oh yeah, special thanks to Ideal. Really appreciate the fish tape that finds tacos and beer. Lord knows I'd be stuck without it. But anyhow, check out in my description. I'll put a link for this fish tape. I mean, really, it's out of sight. You know, yes, Ideal did send it to me, and I appreciate that, but I use this all day long. I mean, I've always used flexible fish tape, especially non-conductive type. But anyways, it's taco time for me. You should get you some tacos and a beer. I'm in my garage in Las Vegas. It's like 200 degrees outside, so I'm gonna choke these down real quick and enjoy the rest of my day. Work hard, play hard. Thanks for watching, and I hope you check back soon. I'm gonna do another video on solar, how to hook up solar. So thanks so much.